What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be making some edits. Okay, we're going to be working up with the sidebar because we want to make sure that our sidebar looks amazing, and then we want to work up with the footer as well. Okay, so let's get started. You can just click here to the customize here, or there's two options to customize this widgets and the footer. So you can just come here directly. Okay, I need to log in first because this is the second day I'm recording the video. You can see it from my getup that I have changed my clothes. Okay, so basically I am now logged into this, and I also want to open up this is2.completewpcourse.com, and there we want to just go to the dashboard right here, and then you can see that we have two options to customize this whole sidebar and the footer. Okay, let this be loaded and let this be loaded, and you can see that the uploading is also going on in the background. So okay, I just want to click close, and you can see this is where I can edit this complete sidebar. Okay, and I can also just go to the appearance, and then I can go to the widgets right here, and I can completely edit my whole sidebar from this as well. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see it says right sidebar, and we have search, recent post, recent comments, archives, categories, and meta, which is right here exactly the same. Okay, so I want to change this stuff. So I think it would be much easier for me if I just directly edit it from here instead of here. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, and then here I'm gonna make some changes. So I want to go to the sidebar right here. And here it says the customization, where I can just customize it if I want to. This is not customizing because this is added by Elementor. Okay, this is not the actual sidebar. The actual sidebar would be on the HTC category page or any category page where I am. Okay, so if I just load this, you can see it is going to take me here, and then if I manage it, it's going to work here. It is not going to work on the main page because we have added this sidebar from the Elementor. Okay, so I'm going to come here, and I'm going to come here to the widgets basically. And in the widget section, I have this right sidebar. I have this footer 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is basically talking about this. Okay, so we're going to edit this. I'm going to just come here to the right sidebar, and here I can manage everything. So search, I think search is not needed right here because we already have a search tab here. So I will just delete it. You can see it is removed. I have the recent post. I can show the recent post if I want to. I can display the post date as well. Okay, so there we go. It's going to show the post date, that on which date the post was published. Okay, and then I have the recent comments. I don't think so if recent comment is necessary. And then I have the archives. Then it's going to show the dates of the post, that when it was published, when it was posted here on this blog. And then I have the categories. So I think categories is really important, so I'm going to just bring it to the top right here so that the categories should be here about the post that we have posted. And then we have the meta. So I don't think so if meta is necessary. And we have three, and we're left with three sidebar things. I want to add a widget right here, and here it says about me. So if you want to add about me widget, I think, because if you are blogging, if you have a personal blog and you want to add about me widget into right here, because you can see that I am the only user to this blog, and every post is published by me. You can see my name right here. So if you want to add about me section, you can add it. You just have to click here. You just have to come here. You have to enter your name, and then you have to enter your description, your name, your color, social style. And then you have to also enter these, your social links. So you can do that. But I will not be adding this because this is not my personal blog. Anyone can just come here. Okay, and then you have the custom header navigation, custom links, custom menu, Facebook like box. This is important because I want to add the Facebook like box here. So I'll just come here. I'll just click here, and you can see it is right here. I want to add the Facebook title. So I'm just going to be entering find us on Facebook. Okay, and on should be, the first letter should be capital. And then here I have the Facebook URL. So I'm going to enter the Facebook URL, https:// www.facebook.com facebook.com, and you basically need to grab the URL of any of the page that you have. So I'm gonna go to the facebook.com and see that which page I need to just embed right here. So I can just come here, and here we go. You can see this is the URL. I'm just gonna copy the URL. Okay, and then what I have to do, I have to just come here and I have to paste it. So you can see that after pasting it, here should be a Facebook page. Find us on Facebook, where anyone can like my Facebook page, view my Facebook page, share it if you want to. And then I have the width, the height, then how I want. I can also go with the color scheme. So if I want to add it in the footer right here, I can go with the dark color. So it would be dark color scheme. Okay. Here we go. You can see this is how it is looking. So I think I like this one. And then I have the show faces. If I want to show the faces of the people, those who have liked this, I have the show stream. I have the show wall if I want to show the wall. So if I just check it out, you can see that here would be a wall coming up right here. Show stream. So everything would be coming right here. Okay, but I don't think so if it looks cool. I'm just gonna uncheck this, and also this uncheck because I don't want to show the ball right here. Okay, and now I think we're totally done with the Facebook page. Now what we want one more widget. So I'm just gonna go down, and you can also display the Instagram photos if you want to. Then you have the displays MailChimp subscription form. I think this is also really very important for a blog. Okay, we will be discussing later on about the email marketing. So it is not really much recommended right now. We will be discussing, there will be another section for email marketing, that how email marketing works. Okay, so you can add the MailChimp. Here should be the subscribe form, so that if anyone wants to enter his email address, he can just enter it. So let's just add it, but we will be just working with this later on. Okay, we will be working up with the email marketing. There will be a separate section. So get all the content drive to your email in a few months about categories, and we'll send it to you. Okay, then you have the form action, so you can go with the form action. So you can see this is how the newsletter is working. Okay, you have to, the person will come here, he will just enter his email, and then he will hit go, and his email will be added to our newsletter, and we will send him every time email whenever a post is submitted. So this is how it works basically. Okay, we will integrate later on. Let me come here, and I want to just decrease the height of this to 200. Okay, now I think it looks pretty good. I'll just go with a 180. Okay. So, show border. Cool. Okay, I think it should be 250. Because there's the no share button right here. Okay, now I think it looks cool. Okay, I have the email section right here and everything. I want to add one more. I'm going to go back, and then, sorry, I'm going to go down. I'm going to hit this so that it goes above right here, and I want to add a new widget right here. So I can show display recent posts, so social icons, tags cloud. Text cloud is also a great thing, okay, because if you use some tags here in your post, like I showed you about the your post, that how you can use the hashtags to your Facebook. So this is how the tags cloud are going to appear. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, let's just go ahead. Let's add this right here. Okay, so it's going to show the tags that we have right here. So taxonomy would be tags. You can also show the categories instead of the tags, that the categories will be appear in a cloud way. So you can see how this is coming: categories, Android, Apple Watch, Dell, HTC, iMac. This is how, instead of this, it will show all the tags that you have used. So you can show the tags, because since we don't have any of the tags, that is why it is not appearing. But let's add some tags. Okay, I'm just gonna hit publish, and I'm gonna go to my blog right here, and let's edit some of the images. This is the Dell. Okay, I want to come here. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit edit post. So since this post is related to Dell, I'm just gonna add a tag that would be Dell. That can be news or okay. I'm just gonna add Dell, no deal, Dell. Okay, news, amazing, best company. So this is how you can add some tags if you want to. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit update. Now you can see that this is gonna be appearing right here. If I just come here and I basically just refresh this URL, then you will see the tags will appear. So if I just go to the visit site here as well, then you can see that I go down and you can see tags that are coming right here. So tags, basically it's going to show the most recent and most viewed tags. And if I just click this, it's going to show the post that has the tags assigned. So best company tag is assigned to this post. That is why this post is coming. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to open this up. Okay, this is how it works basically. Okay, I'm just going to come here. I'm going to click this guy right here and it's going to take me right here. Okay, now what I want to add a new widget. So if I want to add any one more widget, I can show a video, I can show archives, I can show calendar, custom HTML, Elementor library, embed your saved elements. Okay, and then you have the image, so you can also show the image, list of pages where you have, and text and everything. So I think now we're totally done with the sidebar right here, so I think we don't need it pretty well. What is the one more thing that we want to add? Is that we want to add about us section and these menus to right here, because since we are in a blog page and blogs about us section is either in the top bar right here or in the footer. So you have two options. If you are creating a blog, make sure to add your about, contact us, and these links either to the top right here or just right here. Don't add it here, because here should be there should be the categories or the tags if you want to add any. Do not add about us section and these stuff, otherwise your blog will look messy. Okay, I'm just gonna come here. I am going to just add it right here and then we're gonna move further. So I'm gonna go to the menus right here and let's see how many pages we have. So I want to create these pages. I just want to create one and another. So I want to create two pages. The first one is going to be about. Okay, and I want to hit publish. I want to come here and this one is going to be contact us. Okay, and I want to hit publish right here. So there we go. We have added this. Now what I'm going to do, I just want to add a new menu. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to hit create a new menu. And so now I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here and I'm going to add menu 2. Okay, and this will be my menu 2. I'm going to add about us and contact us to the menu 2, and I'm going to assign this to top bar right here. I'm going to bring this right here, and let's go to the save menu and let's view our page basically. Okay, let's click this, and you can see this is coming right here, about us, contact us, and the email right here. So everything looks pretty cool. Okay, we go down, we have our this sidebar as well, and now we're totally left with this footer, which we will be doing in the next video. So stay tuned guys, and bye bye.